Hey guys, welcome back to the Bayside Fabrication YouTube channel. Today we are going drifting at the Freedom Factory. So it is about 1 o'clock, almost 1 o'clock. The track's hot at 4, so we're gonna try to get down there about 2:33. So we're headed out shortly. Now, I had an issue getting tires ready in time. So I actually had another junkyard score, and it's funny, the guys at the junkyard are totally on board. I got these suckers. I just did a quick plasti dip on the barrels. They're 15-inch OEM 5 Series wheels, but the tires on them are brand new. So not ideal. 90% sure the 15s will fit my car. They're big balloon, obviously off-road looking things right now, but they were it was $100 as you see it, but they told me once I blow the tires off to bring the rims back and they'll give me a refund on the wheels. So the guys there are super cool. They know the deal. They're like, yeah, dude, just buy the tires. People do it all the time. Just don't destroy the rims and you'll be fine. So that's the deal of the day. But right now, I'll just show you. I got the wife and kid coming along, so we're packing up kid stuff, and we got generators and food and we're actually doing it right this time. But the cart is here. We got like 2 extra sets of spares. So I'm not sure how the day is gonna go, but it's gonna be fun. Even if we get a couple runs in, I'm pretty fired up. The weather's questionable. It's like raining on and off, just patchy kind of Florida summer stuff, but that's what we're dealing with today, guys. So like I said, not ideal, but I had these that I was working on and I wanted to make them really nice and, you know, do them proper, but I ran out of time. So this is the next best solution and the best I could come up with. And they're brand new tires, so can't go wrong with brand new tires for 40 bucks. Stopped working on it.
I don't have any at all. So.
Yeah, dude, I couldn't see shit.
Yeah, I did it on like
this. Guys, we just got rained out pretty good. I don't know how it happened, but when I thinned my wiring harness, somehow I pulled the fuse to the windshield wipers, so my windshield wipers didn't work and I couldn't see anything. So I can't wait for them to get the track dried off and take another stab at this. But I think the rain's done for now, so hopefully get this place dried up and be back at it. We got spicy there. guys, I got a little way too overconfident on that last run, so I just gotta slow it down. My run before that was much better. Just slow it down and not send it as hard. Especially on the bank. That bank's tricky. You gotta be moving some real speed to for it to not pull you down. So we'll see. Well, guys, that's it. Unfortunately, I forgot to actually turn on my camera a bunch during that day. I personally think drifting is like the most boring thing on the planet to watch. Doing it is probably the most fun thing on the planet to do. So I'm probably not going to bore you guys with much more drifting content. I'm going to go out and just do the best I can out there and have a good time. It's extremely hard. It's funny actually rewatching videos and stuff. I see my hand placement's garbage. My timing's totally off for a lot of things. And you know, it's definitely a learning curve. So I'm gonna stick with it, and I'm gonna just, you know, keep plugging away and having fun and try to progress. I'm not trying to be a rock star or anything like that, and it's just fun to be out there and, you know, hang the car sideways a little bit. I mean, it's definitely a fun time. So I will be posting a little more fabrication-oriented videos shortly. We're switching shops here, so I'm kind of doing a lot of, you know, running around, a lot of non-exciting stuff. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Before I go on this video, please check out my buddy Brent at PFI Speed. I'm sure a lot of you guys know him. Check out his channel and his Instagram. There's a GoFundMe set up. He's having a really hard time right now with the EPA. They decided to reinterpret the 1970 Clean Air Act or something like that all of a sudden, and they're hammering small businesses on really stupid stuff. I mean, they fined him $18,000 for reselling Honda piggyback computers. He didn't install them, he didn't tune the cars, he just resold them from a manufacturer because he's an authorized dealer. So if that doesn't make your blood boil, yeah, I don't know what. And they're like, oh, we're doing you a favor. You know, we could have fined you $180,000 or something like that. So we're doing you a favor, and 18 grand is helping you out because we could really ruin you. And it's like, this stuff just makes my blood boil. So I don't have a ton of money, but I sent him over what I could. If there's anything you do to help him, I think he might be the tip of the spear and the right person to battle this the right way, because he's got a cool head about him, and he's just very articulated and, you know, nice guy. Everybody loves him. But yeah, go check them out if you can do anything to help them out. And it really is, I mean, if they can go after Brent, they can go after me, they can go after you, they can go after all of us for doing what we enjoy doing. And it's all ridiculous. I mean, it makes no sense, and it's all just, you know, just a way for the government to get their hands in your pockets. So I appreciate you all watching, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye.